Hey folks, so I thought I'd do a quick video. It's been a while since we've gone for a drive in the old 67 Mustang, so I'm going to do a short drive around the neighborhood just to take her out. It's been a while, so here we go. Okay, doing pretty good so far. Still need to get an alignment on her. I know it's out. I need to fix the steering wheel alignment too, because when I pulled the steering wheel off to do the wire harness, I thought I had it aligned, but I didn't. So it's clocked out of whack pretty good. But that's it. Just a little drive around the neighborhood. Feels good to just be riding around in her. Oh, don't know what's going on at the pool. It's like a good crowd. Busy. What is this truck doing? It's a Chevy. They always do weird, crazy things. Not like a sensible Ford drivers. On first on race day. Okay, so here we are back at the house. I'm gonna pull back into the garage here, I hope. Hopefully I can fit. So it was nice to get her out and take her for a spin. It's been a while since I've done that, so yay, I'm happy. Hopefully y'all enjoyed coming along for the ride. So that, folks, we'll see you later.